Hello, this is Neo and welcome to another motorcycle feature. Right in front of you is the MotoGP inspired motorcycle. This is the RC213 V-S. So this motorcycle is the most expensive motorcycle that I'm going to feature on this channel because this is worth 15 million Philippine pesos. So let's go. So yung kanyang name pa lang very iconic na kasi yung RC, it means that it is a 4-stroke motorcycle and is a traditional coding ng Honda. And then ito, yung 213, this means it's a third work of the 21st century. And then yung V, ibig sabihin, itong motorcycle na to is a V engine configuration. So currently, naka-install yung some of the sport kit package. So makikita nyo wala na siyang headlight and then wala rin siyang side mirrors. Pero may combination pa rin ng side stand. Dapat wala na yan eh. Pero I assume kasi last na gamit nito is last 2018 pa and then parang onting mileage pa lang ang meron siya. So, hindi pa tapos sa break-in period yung motorcycle. So, I guess it's a combination ng mix. And sa ibang bansa, dapat authorized Honda dealership lang ang gagawa nun. So, yung sport kit can improve the bike's horsepower up to 213. So, sa buong mundo, meron lang 250 units and this one is unit 138. Sa likod may makikita kayong split na tailpipe. Pero pag sinilip mo, yung routing ng kanyang exhaust, umiikot yan. Mula doon, papunta dito. So given this is a race bike, ang dami niyang carbon fiber parts. Ito, ayoko na pitikin, 15 million to. So other geek stuff, yung pneumatic valves is replaced with coil springs. So ang purpose nito is to improve yung durability ng makina. Given this is a road motorcycle. So compared dun sa race bike, in-improve nila yung turning radius ng handlebar. The bike still looks modern even though 2015 pa tong design na to. So ang focus ni Honda dito, hindi lang dun sa makina, hindi lang sa power. Ang pinag-research din nila and engineer nila is yung agility nitong motorcycle na to. So napansin ko din, ito atang mga bolts na yan. Those are titanium bolts. So check out nyo to, combination ng setup niya. So yung kanyang preno, this is a Brembo caliper and then meron napakalaking floating disc. Tapos yung suspension niya, it's already all-ins and napaka-iconic yung kanyang Marchesini racing na forged magnesium wheel. So for those interested, you can check this motorcycle out here at Honda Big Bikes, Buendia.